I soaked these bell peppers overnight. I heard that soaking them in water, warm water, will help them to germinate a lot faster. So I have my pots ready that I'm getting ready to sow these seeds in and get them ready for the spring so I can have a lot of bell peppers growing in my garden. So let me get them ready to put in each pot. And I heard when the seeds that fall to the bottom of the water, they tend to germinate a lot faster than the ones that's still floating at the top. So I have a lot of them that went down to the bottom of the bowl. So let's see if I'm going to get a faster germination from these bell peppers. Okay, all the seeds have been sowed in the container pots and in the cups. Now just wait and watch them grow. Come on, bell peppers. I want to grow me a lot of bell peppers this season. I went ahead and sowed some of the bell pepper seeds over here too because I had a lot of extra ones still in that bowl in the water. So I went on and just cleared this area out. Even though I know we may have some few more cool nights coming in this area, I'm gonna go ahead and went ahead and sowed the seeds over here. Let's see if they're gonna germinate.